Assalamu alaikum. Do you know that angels do sometimes speak to humans? We have Ibn al-Qayyim in the introduction of his book, Madarij al-Salikin, talking about ilham or inspiration. And he says, angels speak sometimes to humans in two ways. The first way is actually with a heard sound. So the person hears a sound. And he gives the example of the companion Imran ibn al-Husayn, where in Sahih Muslim, there is a narration, authentic narration obviously, that mentions that angels used to give him salam. The second way, the angel would not speak with a voice, but would throw the meaning in the heart, place the meaning in the heart of the person. And here there is a narration from Abdullah bin Mas'ud radiyallahu anhu that إِنَّ لِلْمَلَكِ لَمَّةً بِقَلْبِ ابْنِ آدَمَ وَلِلشَّيْطَانِ لَمَّةً. This is from the speech of Abdullah bin Mas'ud, but he could not have said that from his own mind. That there is a time when the angel embraces and takes over the heart, and there is a time when shaitan embraces and takes over the heart. When it's the angel, then again he promises that which is good, or he gives glad tidings of good, and he confirms belief in Allah and matters of the unseen. But when it's time for the shaitan to take over the heart, then he promises a lie which is untrue, and he encourages disbelief in the promise of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And he also quotes the hadith of Nawas bin Sam'an, which is a Musnad Ahmad, and it's an authentic hadith, where there is a mention of وَاعِظُ اللَّهِ فِي قَلْبِ كُلِّ مُؤْمِنٍ. So there is a reminder in the heart of every believer. There is a caller in the heart of every believer that invites them to the truth, that warns them against falsehood. So he says, again, this is the speech of the angels. And the purer the heart, the closer the angels are, because the angels come to where the remembrance of Allah is, where the love of Allah is. So the purer the heart of the person, the more cultivated the heart of a person, the more likely the angels will be in the presence of that person, and then it intensifies to a point of even communication. And usually that's guidance, usually that's reassurance, and it gives the person, a beautiful and a sweet feeling of calm and serenity and peace. So this is how the angels sometimes do speak to humans.